Cassey here, and welcome to another 12 minutes to tone. Today we're working your abs, your obliques, your core, and it is going to get crazy. It is February, you guys, the month of love. That is why I am wearing all red, the color of passion, because today I want you to be passionate about your body and everything that it does for you. Okay, you guys? Your workouts are so much more than just getting toned abs and getting lines and getting six packs. I mean, that's nice and everything, but that's a side benefit to you being able to respect your body and love everything you see in the mirror as you are getting stronger, as you are getting healthier. Like, seriously, think about everything that your body does for you. Be grateful for your movement, and we're gonna have so much fun in our workout today. So today, in your 12 minutes to toned abs, we've got crisscrosses, double leg lifts, tabletop crunches, eagle crunches, scissors, rollovers, and we're ending with the plank, all right? And remember, each move is going to be held for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and for the last 30 seconds of the move, I'm going to spice it up a little bit, you guys. It's going to be a hold, it's going to be a pulse, it's just pretty much going to be super intense because we've got 12 minutes, we've got 7 moves. Let's go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and start out with our first move, the crisscross, you guys. So hands behind the nape of the neck, and you're going to twist like so. Twist, twist. Opposite shoulder towards opposite knee. It's not about the elbow going, it's about the shoulder twisting. We're working our transverse abdominals right now. Point your toes. Let's go. You got a minute. At this pace, that is. Then we're going to pick it up. Keep going. Point, point, point. Really twist. So good. Come on. Nice, guys. Lifting the shoulder blades off the mat. You've got it. Twist, twist. Legs long. Let's go. Breathe. You're going to exhale every time you twist. You ready? We're going to go fast right here. Twist, 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 twist. Yeah, guys. Let's go. Fast. Twist. More. Come on. Boom. 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing. Keep going. Whew. Go through it. Go through it. Twist, 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 twist. Come on. Burn it out. Boom, boom, boom. 10 seconds. Are we burning? Yes? Almost there. 2, 1, and end. That was so good. Okay, you guys, we've got double leg lift. So, both hands behind your tailbone or behind your head, up to you. Legs up, heels together. We're gonna come down. 2, up, up, down, down, up, up. Slow. And lift. And low. And up. Very nice, guys. Down. We're working the lower abs right here. And lift. Make sure that low back is pressed into the mat, okay? That's how we make sure we protect our abs, we protect our back. Down for 2, and lift for 2. Very nice, guys. Now, I want you to try to elevate your shoulder blades off the mat like this. For 2, and up for 2. Down. Now, you can totally stay right where you were. But if you want to work the upper abs too, go ahead and lift it up like so. Good. We're down. For 2, and up. We lift. We inhale down. We exhale up. So good. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, you guys, reverse crunch with me. Down. For 2, hands by your side. Cross ankles. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Nice and tight right here. Up and lift and down and down. Press your hands into the mat. Down and up. Low. Lift. Low. Lift. Let's go. Strong lower abs. One more. Boom, and down. Very good. Okay, next one, you got tabletop crunches for the upper abs. Hands right by the nape of your neck, knees in tabletop. You guys, we lift and lower. Elbows wide. Working the upper abs. Point your toes. Lift with your chest and your abs, not your neck. Up and down. Feel it right here, okay? Up and lower. Don't pull on your neck. If you feel your neck, you've got to put all the energy right here into your abs. And even if it's just a tiny lift, that's better than lifting higher and pulling your neck. Let's go. Up and down. Good stuff. Come on. I want you to exhale up, inhale down. Up. Lift and lower. Nice. Exhale, inhale. Up. Good, you guys. Keep going. You've got this. Don't give up. Find the passion in your workout. Are you guys ready to pulse it out? Ready? In 3, 2, 1. We pulse. Lift, lift. Tiny pulses. Little ones. Elbows wide. Oh my gosh, that burn is happening. You've only got 30 seconds of pulses. Come on. 12 seconds more. Let's go. Up, up. Come on. Lift, lift. So close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Okay, you guys. Next up, we have eagle crunches. I want you to cross your ankle and your knee like so. Cross the elbows, hands come together. You go up and down, lift and lower, up, tap the toe, boom, and down. Now, if this twist is a lot, you can totally not have to cross the ankles here. You can bring the hands into prayer, up to you. But the more you twist, the more we target the center of the abs. Are we dying? I'm dying. Lift and lower. And down. Up. Good. Up. 30 seconds more at this pace. Come on. Lift. I want you to concentrate. It's hard for me too. Okay, but we're not gonna give up. When it gets hard, that's when your body is going to change if you keep going, all right? Let's get stronger. Come on. I want you to hold right here. Hold. Nice. And squeeze tighter, tighter, tighter. Woo! You guys, you got 20 seconds right here. Hold. Don't let go. Squeeze everything together. Bring your elbows to your knees to your elbows. Stay strong. Breathe, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh my gosh. Okay, stay down. We've got scissors, you guys. Go ahead and grab your ankle, knee, or calf right here, straighten the leg. Okay, you're gonna lift the shoulders off the mat like so, and we're gonna pull it in. And in, like that, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Just like that. If you need to slow it down, you can slow it down. Up to you. Going back, boom, boom, hold. Let's do that. 1, 2, hold. Then we get a little stretch in there. Hold. 1, 2, these are scissors. Scissors. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So good. Straighten your legs. 1, 2, 3. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders off the mat. 1, 2. Keep going. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys. Hands here. Just the legs. Whew, whew. Now, keep it straight. Keep it straight. If you need to, you can go here, 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 whatever works for you. 15 seconds. Shoulders off the mat. Let's go. Let's go. Stay strong now. Boom, 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 boom. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you guys, this is crazy. Okay, now we've got rollovers. So I'm gonna slide up my mat a little bit so I don't travel too much. I'm gonna bring your heels together, hands by the side. We're gonna roll it over right here. We're gonna go up, 2, 3, 4, bring it down. 2, 3, 4, lift. Now if you need to use your hands to pull your legs over, that's okay. Up, 2, 3, if you need to bend your knees, that's okay too. This is all about that core control. Lift, 2, 3, 4, we're down. So good. Up, 2, 3, 4, very nice. Woo. Up, 2, 3. Nice. Check that time. All right, got 20 more seconds of these. And lower. Up, 2, 3. Gonna exhale down. 2, 3, 4, and we're up. Strong, long legs. We're down. And up. And lower. All right, you guys, flutters right here. Flutters. My hands are gonna stay on the floor, or they can come behind my neck, or they can go behind my tailbone like so. Flutter, 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 flutter. 10 more seconds. Looking forward. You've got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, guys, last move. Last move, we've got the plank, okay? Now plank, you can do on your hands, on your knees. You can go like this. Just make sure that you're not sticking your butt up in the air. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with my forearms, making sure my elbows are right underneath my shoulders, legs hip width apart, and you stay right here. So, if you want to make it harder, what you're gonna do is you're gonna shift your body a little bit forward. Okay? You can even shift back and forward this entire time to make it hard on you. Do not dip yourself. Do not bring your booty in the air. You are a plank forward. Okay? Nice and flat plank forward. So, once we hit the last 30 seconds, we're gonna go into hip twist. Abs tight, you guys. You got this. 15 more seconds right here. And then we're gonna hip twist it out. You're doing so good in today's ab routine for your 12 minutes to toned abs. Let's go. Okay, hip, twist it out. Twist, 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 twist. Working those obliques. You've got it, and I'm feeling my shoulders too. Twist. Now you bring the feet together, that'll make it a little bit easier to twist. Boom. Boom, you can also do this on your knees too, you guys. 10 seconds. Let's go, come on. Twist, twist. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And slowly bring it up and roll your shoulders back. Oh my goodness. You guys, congratulations, you just finished your 12 minutes to toned abs. Honestly, that was so hard. I love that we do 1 minute of like, okay, this is hard, and then 30 seconds of, oh my gosh, are you trying to kill me? It's so good. If you have not subscribed to Blogilates yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell so that I can give you notifications whenever I have new videos. Again, I will be posting every single Sunday a brand new video for you to keep you motivated, to keep you excited, and to help you discover the joy in movement and the joy in working out. Because that's the entire point, right? Because if you don't like what you're doing when you're sweating, you might as well do something else. You know what I'm saying? Life should be about having fun in literally everything that you're doing. So I'm glad that we're having fun working out together. You guys, I love you so much, and I will see you next time for the next workout. Bye.